Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time where the video go meet you now. Now, mommy day for here, the almighty mother hen Bridget Benjamin in the building. I thank una so much for the wonderful thing una don't do for me. I just want thank una for everything where they go on. When I see the life too short. Now 2022 this. If you do watch me in a first time for come for BBTV and the button that for up, subscribe, like, share, help me click the notification button so that next time when you come for BBTV, you go fit every time I upload video, you go be the first for no. And for you when we don't beef with me all this time, I just want to thank you. Una be superb. DVTV get operation going to 6,000 subscriber. I beg. Una support me, ma reach that 6,000 subscriber anytime soon. Una support me. Thank una so much for the wonderful thing I do. I beg, mommy breed open a relationship platform on social media for Minister Mrs. Bridget Benjamin. I beg go for they go subscribe because now they will start do own video. Then smart go start dance Zumba, dance all for day. Mona see mommy be the biggest mommy for 237, my shape and everything. I just want thank una because without una, I know they for the place. I thank una for the wonderful things the one I do for me. I thank una for everything. When I say this social media space, it big. Everybody can achieve what they want. Una just get for be positive. Learn for be positive, learn for get a forgiving spirit, learn for know how to move with people, learn for know how to celebrate people. Celebrating people is my priority. Always learn for celebrate people. Lady Billionaire, thank you. Always celebrating people. Celebrate people so that God go celebrate you. God go send people the way they go celebrate you. This life overshot for all this una nonsense for social media. This life overshot for all this una problem. I want to thank everybody who watch my Sunday live show. It be sweet. I want to thank all una because without una, I know for day. Una really try for support me this Sunday. Thank una so much. Thank the caller, thank the people, the commenters, thank my people, thank everybody. BSO. Without una, I know they for this place. Thank una so much. And if you don't forget to buy Whitney Ryan Beauty, I beg contact no. Whitney get distributed all over now. Canada ide, Belgium ide. You want poster for any country? Contact me. They go poster for you. America ide, everywhere ide. Una support my baby girl now. Support my baby girl. We did the even hair. Una go for a page. Una also say the even hair them. Una support my baby girl. Una promoting me grow now. Me grow. At least encourage you, so that me not be a beggar. Me not go to beg for street. I maybe can make money by itself. And I encourage my baby girl. I thank una all for the wonderful things they want to do. And I see we are moving forward. We are moving forward. Tete Organic Skincare, thank you so much also for promoting Dopest, Hot Box, and Barry Lesbian TV for the way they do. Barry Lesbian TV, me and you get a one-to-one talk or I beg. We get a one-to-one talk because something that I really want me to do for me, mommy. I want me to do for me. Contact Dopest, take my phone number for Dopest, contact me, I beg. I want me and you talk something that I want me to do for me. Barry Lesbian TV, this message is for you. I need to have a one-to-one talk, deep talk like mother and daughter. I beg you. I beg. I don't want to talk enough for live show or for video. I want to talk to me and you personally. I want to thank all una for everything I don't do. So people, and then for Merky, Linda, thank you for Lady Billionaire and Lady Billionaire and Mervin's and how did you call it? Billionaire brand ambassador. They get Mervin. Prince Mervin, then you get Melanella Bed, the way that influencer. Thank you so much. Maps. I know if thank you. I thank you so much for what you do and for the picking there for community. Just continue. Keep up the good work. Keep up the good work. Keep up the good work. Thank you so much. Gloria also, I thank you. I thank you for everything. I beg me no man no vex. More time when I will see me, I go wear Maps waist trainer. Me I wear Maps waist trainer. When I see mommy breathe. When I say I find no. When I know me beautiful mommy breathe. I know me go for front and for back. Ma wear Maps and then when I see me. When I say mommy be ever when I come back, mommy be ever cover his skin, mommy be ever cover his shape, mommy there this time when I know when I go see my real shape now. When I don't wear Maps and I me bring my body the way my body supposed to be there when I go see me for outside. Another good news, Dopest the commodities this January. Dopest CEO Dopest they can't join the CEO list. So when I start the campaign for being influential for Dopest CEO. Una start the campaign because those person that brand ambassador for it. Una start the campaign for being influential for it. So that una fit promote those person. So when I want be influential, when I start the campaign to cover, no campaign when I start campaign for being influential for those person because another CEO that the camp always go start to pay people small time. Hey, voila. Who say mommy B and the pikin there? When I leave that thing, when I see my pikin there. Me God give me the strength. Before I reach 50 years, my pikin again for get money to tell. So that when I don't reach 50 years, they will take care for me. They will look on me. Hey, Papa God, thank you. And I think that they invest on the life of your children. And then for other my pikin, the way they give their Momo number, I beg when I saw we said they never drop on that money the weekend, they'll drop it inside the week. That my pikin be busy. That my pikin go drop on the money there for on a Momo number, they go drop it inside this week. Una no worry. Una get the money inside the week. Okay. Anyone that thing I want to talk that my dark glasses be fine on and now they see my face for that this season, so I be fine. Mommy be beautiful, mommy be. So now only so as so the talk and so the go now, so we'll do the talk and the go now, so we'll do the talk and the go. Now new year they don't reach now. Now just take it easy. My life they no fine for the play where I did be. When I see my camera, they know it's still better than nothing. I just want to drop this video for now. One time for everything. I know that see what I confuse on social media. The earlier when I start for the change, the better. All the people they will employ them for can't work for Dubai, and no worry. When I did Dubai, when I go see, I go start contact when I tell when how I will do for submit for when visa and the rest. How I will do for get on employment visa and the rest. I will explain all those things. And when I will do Dubai, I will get a lot of time to do a lot of video. They will my picking them for do a lot of explanation. Me and Dopes will get a show for a channel for when I will do Dubai for just tell on how things they go to go. I love when I back to back, and then that my picking that Dopes president and vice president. I don't pay because they ever call for a show. I don't know any way call they ever call you for my show. They spice my show. Thank you so much, baby. Thank you for always calling on my show to spice my show. Thank you. When you call, so it really make this sweet. Thank you so much. I know say yes, mommy bridge. You know, like for caution, they respect your mommy. But at least you still talk for make the show fine. Thank you so much. I just really thank you. Now, then, Senator, I thank you so much for call for my show, for air out your mind, for speak the truth, because the palava for palava say, mommy B, one take this chop for people that mob on wait. I need me understand me the social media. Thank you so much. When I be my junior brother, my pikin there, your woman, and my pikin, all those type of things. Me, I always get that heart for stand for any person. So long as you approach me, that is me. Kobolistic Kobos, I know I wait. Hey, Kobos get surprised inside the week. Inside this week, Kobo get a surprise visitor. When I go see them for social media. Kobolistic Kobos, I love you back to back. I know I wait there. That means I the count there and every day. If I can't meet you, can't carry them a ball, keep picking. I know just one week. I thank you all so much. When I see show taste. Mommy B, let me say, when I tell the negative people, they say me they stop all the rubbish. Now, what is all the me? All man just bow down and follow God and follow Jesus Christ. I got the win. Now 2022 this so. When I just bow down, there's nothing in this life, nothing in this life. The life where they did so all we go die, when I live in peace, when I be happy. So that me God to go in a long life. Not because I can get high blood, depressed for no good with the thief people that money there. Thief left, thief right, thief yellow. When I stop all that thing, go hella una for waiting. Rubbish. See una. Grace. The billionaires on video and they will move on the time. Now then to that day. I see some kind of face we move and how to get that kind of face. That for the this social media. Una too na like what diggy picking. What I go dig all the people that they bring at me. I see some kind of face we put so they say that face be the coach people. That kind of face to the coach. Why war people the life of coach people way? Why do war people then I like with the coach people? When I say they get machine and they tell people they go enter for fine. If you don't like yourself, you be depressed, you don't like that, so God make you be unhappy. Say different for the fire you go enter machine no. Why man they make machine? Why man they make machine? I say if you not be comfortable to your skin, go enter machine for so that you be comfortable with your skin. That for someone I can't be one track of all my on a depressed life. When I stop auditing. When I stop auditing, I beg. What to be all this? When I stop all the rubbish. Stop them. Celebrate people. Celebrate people, they don't do a lot for una. Me got to help una open una door, they will celebrate una. I never see the one. Look at me, wahala, mad people, they all. This life too short for all the una trouble. And una they watch me, I beg. Now we need pink lips this. Winnie knuckles, knuckle remover. Una try buy another move do una knuckle down. I need see my hand. Una buy a move knuckles no. Una buy the thing, not even DSF. Una just buy the bottle for move una knuckles. Knuckle no fine for woman now. You see some girl, so your face go the yellow hand and the black. Eh? Una buy knuckles, remove knuckles, buy pink lips, remove pink lips on our skin, buy serum then no. Una buy those things. Clear yourself, look nice, look beautiful like Mommy Brie. Look very, very beautiful like Mommy Brie, the almighty Mommy Brie, almighty mother hen. Buy knuckle remover, oh, buy knuckle remover, remove knuckles for your hand and back. Remove knuckles for your leg them, your feet them, remove knuckles. Any black spot, take her out, take them. I beg, so that be you clean. Remove all the coral for around your skin. Now in this, I beg, one of the best knuckle remover than this, where they exist for 237 media space. Clean yourself, clean your hands, I beg. Wash your hand every minute, every second, because we work for health sector, wash your hand, but we still get clean handed so that you understand. Because the more you wash your hand, the more you develop knuckles. The will still get clean handed, so you go for nosing and because we get a good product we use them for day. So join my team and clean yourself to be clean. So I go leave una off for now. That's just a short video. I want to drop on this time for thank everybody. I will leave una off for now. I beg, follow me for Minister Mrs. Bridget Benjamin on Facebook. Follow me for them who start to talk relationship therapists. I be a therapist when it concerns relationship. Follow me for them who get nice gist them for the gist time. Good gist will be gisting there. Love you all back to back. Au revoir.